Hello guys, today I want to show you how to factory reset FRP on a phone that a client came with it, but he tried to hard reset it with this using the button volume up, down, power, and he got stuck on the FRP. So here there's nothing you can do on data salvage because the phone has already been hard reset using the volume up, power button, using the fingers. So when you get a phone like this, there's no need to worry about the data because the owner has already wiped the data. So what we just do, we check the system platform detector. I got it an MTK, and as we have said, it's Infinix hot5, model number is X559C. So after checking the platform detector, I found out it's an MTK, and the MTK that the phone is using is the CPU is 6580, as you can see here. So what I did, I identified the phone was identified, and everything was good to go. So what I did, I come here, I clicked, I selected full factory reset, and I clicked on format, and connected the phone. After successfully format, you can see here clear FRP, Google reset protection, clear OK, clear DIN, OK, clear user data, OK, clear cache, OK. Everything has been hard reset and done. The phone was fine and it worked perfectly. So if you get any Infinix hot5 X559C, just know that Miracle MTK module version 1.58 can reset it. If you have it, it will be just an easy job. Thank you.